2019 Subaru WRX. Just a quick oil change here. The filter is nicely placed up here. Easy access. Yep. Nice. Alright, let's check it out. Alright. Nice. Alright, alright. I feel honored to be working on one of these. You guys OGs, you guys know I used to have one of these. The STI though, not the WRX. Put on the screen, show you guys. Damn, is this thing clogged? Well, obviously not flowing. It's flowing now. It's good. Pretty clean for 70,000 miles. Nothing has ever happened yet. It's got a crazy exhaust leak right here. Get your new washer. It fits perfect. Put your right in there. Plugatory. Eat. Click, click. It's about 30 foot-pounds. Let's get right there. Got your brand new filter here. Give me some of that little oil there. Loop this up. Gently clean this up for you as well. Yeah. Let's get right there. Do I have a Subaru adapter? Yes, I do. It takes about 5 quarts, 5.4. Oh, this phone just looks so much professional. Just look at that anti-spill too. Cap this up, pull it out, flip it over. Alright, let's hear that FA20. Got the wiggle wiggle. Woo! Bitch is loud. Woo-wee! I don't need the AC. And she got the short throw shifter in here too, which I never had in my WRX or STI. Actually, I had one on the STI, but not the WRX. If you guys are OG, you guys know about that. Alright, reset the maintenance right here in the center screen. Oh, nothing was set. It's all done. Let's go. I'm gonna check on the stick. See what we got. Round of money, baby. Hell yeah. They're golden. That boy's ready for another 5,000 miles, hopefully.